Well, we're out here this morning. It's a beautiful morning. It's been a little slow for elk, but there is quite a few mule deer around. So I was just going to show you real quick exactly how the phone scope works here. You can see I got the spotting scope set up right now on a doe and a fawn that's on the skyline there. So once you have matched this case to the style of phone, and then this piece to whatever scope you're looking through, which Phone Skope does have options for every scope and every phone. You can see it just snaps in here like this. Then I'll go to camera mode, put it into camera mode, and then it just pops on to my scope like that. And now I can perfectly see them and be able to share with anybody in my group, say maybe my kids that have a hard time looking through the scope, can now just look on here and see everything I'm seeing. So it's super easy. Plus, you know, I can hit record, send it to my friends, my hunting partners, whatever. So as simple as it is, this is one little thing that I never leave home without because of how fun it is to use and the quality of images you can get to be able to just fire off to your friends and family and get them excited for the upcoming hunt. So if you haven't had a chance to check out Phone Skope, I'd recommend you do. It's a super fun little thing that'll just make your days out in the field that much more exciting.